Hello all, welcome to Pamita AI World 18. My name is Pamita Singh Kandari and you are watching my YouTube channel Pamita AI World. In this video, in my last videos, I have taught you about the Pearson correlation coefficient. But in this video, I'll teach you the next topic of statistics, or we can say correlation, that is Kendall rank correlation. Fine. What is Kendall rank correlation? Kendall rank correlation coefficient. What is coefficient? Kendall rank correlation coefficient. What is Kendall rank correlation coefficient? It measures relationship between two ordinal variables. Fine. Or we can say here it is a non parametric test that can be used to study the dependence between two random variables. Why I'm saying so? First of all, what is ordinal variables and nominal variables? These all types of variables I have already taught you in my previous videos. Fine. So please check that video. Fine. All the previous videos I have taught you about these basic terms of variables, and I have taught you about the non-parametric test also. So in nutshells, what Kendall rank correlation coefficient, where it is used? It used to tell you tell you the measurement of relationship between two ordinal variables. Fine. It is a non-parametric test that can be used to study the dependency between two random variables. Fine. Dependency between two random variables. So how it works? How it works? How it works? How it works? I'll teach you that how it works. Look, if we are studying this particular topic to learn the artificial intelligence or machine learning, so I'll teach you only those parts of the maths or statistics which will be used to build AI model. Fine. Or machine learning engineering model. So all the students who are already know what Kendall rank correlation coefficient, and if they know more than me, fine, so it's good for them, but I will teach you how it works in theoretical parts, fine, related to AI or machine learning engineering thing. Fine. So that all the students who are learning non technical and technical both are learning, they don't get confused here. So how it works? Kendall rank correlation coefficient, how it works? It works that the coefficient is based on the number of inversions needed to change one rank order into another. Fine. This is first part. Number 2, how this coefficient is based on number of inversions. Fine. So these are based on how this coefficient is calculated. Fine. So the coefficient is calculated using the number of concordant and discordant pairs. So what is concordant and what is discordant? Concordant and discordant pairs, this particular topic I haven't teach you. I'll teach you in my next video. Fine, if you want to learn it. Otherwise in data science it is not necessary for you to learn this, because there are already inbuilt libraries who calculate for you. Fine. So this inbuilt library, with the help of Python programming language, you will use it to build AI model or artificial intelligence machine learning engineering model. So you don't need to go into the deep of this particular terms. But yes, for interview purpose, if I don't know if software companies nowadays they are asking or not, if they ask in companies, if they will ask in detail what is concordant and discordant pairs, in that particular time, for that particular time, during the time of interview, you have to learn these particular different topic which I am writing here. Fine. But for that but to learn how to build AI model or machine learning model, all the students, just you should know that this type of concordant and discordant pairs are used to calculate the Kendall rank correlation coefficients. Fine. Don't try to mess this thing up, because these are very difficult topic to learn in terms of statistics. So I am trying to teach you in a simplest way as much as I can. Fine. So Kendall rank correlation coefficient is the coefficient, how this is calculated. This is calculated with the help of by using the number of concordant and discordant pairs. Fine. Number 3 is the coefficient can be used with nominal ordinal data. So wait a minute, I need to say. So what does that mean? The coefficient can be used with the nominal ordinal data. And types of data I have already taught you in my previous videos also, so please check that out. So you don't get confused here, what is nominal, what is ordinal data, what is this and that data. Fine. So coefficient can be used with the nominal ordinal data. So there how it works. Fine. This is the thing. So what it tells us? What it tells us? What it tells us? It tells us a positive coefficient. A positive coefficient indicates, look, after calculating Kendall rank correlation, coefficient, we get response in positive, negative, or sometime it comes 0. So what it tells us in detailed way, what it tells us? It tells us a positive coefficient indicates a positive correlation between the two variables, and a negative coefficient indicates a negative correlation between the two variables. Fine. A positive coefficient indicates a positive correlation between the two variables, and a negative coefficient indicates a negative correlation between the two variables. Fine. What is negative correlation here? Although I have already taught you the positive and negative correlation also. Look, whatever you, all the students, whatever you are facing difficulty to learn what is correlation, what is these things, please check my all the previous videos, and there you can find it out that what is this thing I am talking about here. So I'll give you one example here. I have written here positive correlation. It means, correlation means, like for example, I'll give you example. If you walk, fine, if you walk you will lose weight. Fine. How you will lose weight? We have already experiment this thing in our previous time. Fine. If you will walk you will lose weight. If you will eat less you will lose weight more. Fine. No, if you walk you will lose weight. Fine. So how it is related to each other? Walking faster will lose weight faster. Fine. This thing faster. Fine. This thing how it is related to each other? Walking faster you will lose weight faster. So here two activities are happening side by sides, and one activity is positively correlated to another. So that is called positive correlation. Fine. Walking faster, lose weight faster, and though both things are happening simultaneously positively. Fine. So this is the positive coefficient. Fine. And what is negative coefficients indicates? It indicates negative correlation coefficients. How it indicates? Just take one example, like negative correlations example. I have already given you the example also, negative correlation. Please check that video. I just can't remember right now what is the example of negative correlation, but positive correlation example I have given you here. Please check that video. Fine. If it will come to my mind, I'll teach you. So now next is, what is a coefficient close to 0 indicates no correlation between two variables. between two variables. Fine. Between two variables. So when to use it? It comes when to use it. When to use it. Look, when data scientists or machine learning engineers, they get some data, they get some data, fine, to build AI, or as per the demand of particular organization. If when they get data, they build some, they calculate some, they make some variables with the help of this data. Fine. With the help of these variables, what data scientists do, they try to check the relationship. Fine. Relationship between these two random variables or simple variables or any kind of variables. Fine. So with the help of this Kendall rank correlation coefficient only, or Pearson correlation coefficients, what I am teaching you here, they calculate that particular uh, relationship between two random variables. So how, by seeing, just looking at the data, data scientists, how they identify that which kind of correlation will be used here. Fine. So when to use it, here I'll teach you this topic. So how, when to use it? When to test for statistical dependence between two variables. Fine. It can be used to study the relationship between two random variables. Between two random variables. This is the thing I have taught you. Fine. When to use it and what it tells us. And previously, what before erasing before this I have erasing this particular topic, what I was teaching you in that particular video, I was teaching you the definition also and how it works. And now here I am teaching you what it tells us and when to use it. Fine. Now how to calculate it. Now comes it how to calculate it. How to calculate it. So look, the calculation the calculation involves counting the number of concordant and discordant pairs. Fine. Look, what we do in Kendall, what we do in learning the concordant and discordant pairs. Kendall rank correlation coefficient, particularly used to calculate to counting the number of concordant and discordant pairs. Now we'll see what is concordant and discordant pairs. What is concordant and discordant pairs? That I'll teach you concordant and discordant pairs in my next video, because it is already 20 minutes in my videos. So thank you for watching. I know all the students, this video I am uploading after 1 month because I was facing some technical difficulty in my laptop, and my health was not good previous for 1 month. For some girls related issues I was facing some health difficulties, but now onwards I'll upload my videos continuously. So keep watching. Happy learning, keep learning. Thank you for trusting Pamita AI World 18. And if you like my videos, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.